High-ranking studio. The topic is repair of personal stereo. Hello my friend, welcome to the Pirating Studio. I'm Pirating. Today I want to share with you the restoration of a personal stereo. This personal stereo cannot be turned on. This is a common fault in daily life. After we repaired the circuit board of this personal stereo, the personal stereo immediately started singing happily. See how we solve this problem. My friend brought a personal stereo, and the power thing cannot be turned on. Let me test it for you. No response. Let's take it apart to check. Remove the skirts first. There are many electronic chips in it, which is not good for repair. Because there is no power output, we must first find the power supply board. There are 4 rectifier diodes and transformer. Obviously, this is a power supply board. Now we remove this power board. Awesome, we took it down. Check the fuse first. The fuse is good. Connect the switch. I want to check the voltage of each component. I found that there is a voltage output of 5 volts. Connect a small DC motor to test. The motor can run normally, which surprised me a bit. Now check the voltage of these pins. The voltage of 4.7 volts should be the output of 5 volts. But the 40.5 volt voltage may be 12 volt output or 80 volt output failure. Remove this capacitor belong to this power circuit and check. The button of this capacitor leaks electrolytes, but my camera can't capture it clearly. Install a new capacitor. Maybe the capacitor feels ashamed to see others, so the camera can't capture it. There is one point that I find very strange. Why use the capacitor with withstand voltage of only 10 volt in a 12 volt circuit? Now solder the capacitor. Suddenly my wife came here to care about my work, and she was also surprised by the condition of the capacitor. The newly installed capacitor have higher voltage resistance and can operate safely. The capacitor has been soldered. Input the power for testing. I measured a DC voltage of 11.7 volts. In addition, it was measured to 5 volts DC. I think the circuit board has returned to normal and will now be tested. Start testing after assembly. But when this personal stereo was brought, there was no speaker. Now I make a simple speaker to complete the next test. After soldering the wire, put it in the heat shrink tube. We can test after wrapping insulating tape. This personal stereo has been assembled. Let's try it now. Connect the power first. Awesome, the lights are on. Take a CD to try. Great, now you can hear the music. The volume adjustment function are also normal. Try another song. We succeed again. Try several times to ensure success. If you don't have time to try, subscribing the Pirating Studio can also increase your repair and creative ability. Subscribe, share, and press like. See you next time.